President Emmerson Mnangagwa has dismissed Mashonaland East Minister of State for Provincial Affairs and Devolution Apollonia Monzerengui in what insiders describe as a move to weaken VP Chiwenga's grip on power. Sanapena mashoko atinoti aiwa vanhu vazonyatso kuona kuti kudismisswa kwawaitwa this Minister of State aiwa mutungamiri wenyika panguva ino akuda kunyatso kudzikisira nokuwikina general. Sanapena mashoko anobuda nyogwa panapa pamusoro pekufaiwa kwethis alaiwa VP noti masubscribe like on the bell icon timira mudwani kwamchinzi Monzerengui removal announced in a press statement dated February 11, 2025 follows months of tensions within the ruling ZANU-PF, where factions aligning to Mnangagwa and Chiwenga have been locked in a cold war over party succession. Monzerengui, a known ally of Chiwenga, was instrumental in mobilizing support for the former army general, who many believe is positioning himself to challenge Mnangagwa ahead of the next ZANU-PF elective congress. Sources within government suggest that Mnangagwa's decision to ex Monzerengui is part of a broader strategy to peg Chiwenga's loyalists, particularly in Mashonaland East, a province that has historically played a key role in ZANU-PF's power dynamics. The move echoes previous pages, including the sidelining of military-backed figures who helped Mnangagwa ascend to power after the 2017 coup that ousted RG Mugabe. While official statement cites constitutional provisions, analysts argue that Mnangagwa is tightening his grip on power amid growing speculation that Chiwenga could make a move against him before 2028. The vice president has maintained a low public profile recently, fueling rumors of a rift between the two leaders. Thomas Panobranyo Panapa, Mamsoro, Goku Faiwa, Kwetu Ala General, and Skunponzi, and Komana I mobilizer, and in Dowa Komana, Wakanga Vajit Note 2030. What is the Mafundo in what will be conservative to Pina comment section menu? So, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.